In this demo, I would like to show how fluentd could be used for mobile app metrics. On the right side, we can see the metrics app deployed with one additional pod for fluentd, and in this configuration, fluentd acts as a kind of gateway service. So mobile apps can push their metrics to fluentd, and fluentd also exposes those metrics internally to Prometheus. We can have a look at the configuration for fluentd. We can see that there's an input source of type HTTP defined on port 9880. This is where clients push their metrics to. And then there is a filter for SDK versions. So whenever a URL contains SDK.version, this filter will apply, and whatever we push to this URL, we expose as a Prometheus counter. You can see it in action. This is already connected with Grafana, so Prometheus is scraping fluentd, and Grafana is I have a dashboard with which displays the information that this metrics endpoint of fluentd returns. So let's just create a request. We can see that the URL here contains the SDK.version. This is required to trigger the filter in fluentd. And we can also see that we are pushing JSON data, in that case version 1, so this would indicate SDK version 1. So let's generate 2 requests. Let's wait a bit and then update the dashboard. We can already see that we have a spike here, so something hit the endpoint, and now it plateaued. So let's create some other requests for version 2. Then update the dashboard. Now we can see that, okay, version 1 kind of plateaued, and now there is version 2, and the usage of version 2 surpassed version 1. This is basically how it works.